Good morning students. I hope you all are very fine, and today I am going to take singular or plural nouns. Okay, as we have already seen different kinds of nouns. In between singular and plural nouns is another type of nouns. Different kinds of nouns from their plural forms differently. We generally make plurals of countable nouns by adding s, es, ies, ves to them. But there are certain nouns that are always used in their plural form. For example, crosswords. These nouns I am reading, they are always, you can't use them singular. Okay, these are always, you can't say pants, trousers. It will be plural always. Okay, crossroads, barracks, scissors, headquarters, species, series, then pants or trousers, spectacles or glasses or binoculars. Okay, we add phrase a pair of before some plural nouns. For example, a pair of scissors. Okay, a pair of shoes, a pair of trousers. Okay, a pair. Already a pair, it means two. Some nouns are always used in their singular form. For example, permission, freedom, luggage, equipment, homework, grass, aircraft, furniture, jewelry, and education. Study this list of some nouns and their plurals. For example, singular or plural. Passerby, passers-by. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Runner-up, runners-up. Appendix, appendixes. Singular or plural. Formula, formulae or formulas. Analysis, analysis. Cactus, cacti or cactuses. Crisis, crisis. Okay, so you have to make this chart in your notebook. And second thing, exercise E, I am going to read. This is also regarding how singular or plural noun works. Circle the correct form of the nouns in these sentences. Now see, there is an old factory on the outskirts. You can't use singular form. Outskirts of the town. Outskirts means, for example, a very small road of the town, a very small and dump area. It will be outskirts. It will be plural only. This pair of trousers, you can't use here trouser. You can't use singular. Okay, this pair of trousers is perfect for me. The non-teaching staff, it will not say staff because already staff means not a single teacher or not a single employee. Staff means already so many employees are there, so no need to add s. The non-teaching staff of university is on strike. Collect your things from, not baggages, it will be baggage. Collect your things from baggage counter. I have 2 pairs of binoculars. You can borrow one. Pairs. I have 2 pairs of binoculars. Mathematics. You can't say mathematic. Always it will be in plural. Mathematics has a very interesting formula. It will be formula. It will not be formulae. Okay, it will be formulae. My aunt bought me glow. It will not be glow, it will be gloves. My aunt brought me gloves from the mall. My mother has gone on the holiday with her sisters-in-law. Okay, now see, here we have finished our singular or plural noun. With this, our nouns chapter has been finished. Whenever we will be front to front in a class, I will explain this one article. Okay, now I am going to take your articles. See, a and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because we use them to talk about the thing or a person in general. A and an, these are indefinite articles. It is because we use it for the thing or a person in general. Okay, but Sana bought a bag. She also bought an umbrella. A bag, an umbrella. These are general things. These are not particular things. So we use here a and here an. A is used before words beginning with the consonants or consonant sounds. A zebra, a jug, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. An is used before words beginning with the vowel or vowel sounds. For example, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel sounds. And so we use here an owl, an igloo, an hour, an MLA. A. Here M is pronounced as MLA. M. We use indefinite articles when we refer to unspecified countable nouns in a singular form. For example, a mango, an engineer, a year. Describe the type of things we talking about. That is an excellent book. Okay, that is an excellent book. Do you live in a big house? I ate a sweet juicy apple. A sweet juicy apple. A big house. An excellent book. है ना? Refer to the regular occurrence of something or frequency of an event within a specific period of time. Sam goes to Mumbai twice a month. This is his habit. He is habitual of this thing. Sam goes to Mumbai twice a month. Okay, so we use a here because this refer the frequency of event. I visit the library once a week. Once a week. Okay, this is my habit. This is frequency of event or period of time. So a week. Refer to a whole class of something in a sense of all or any. For example, an elephant is heavier than a giraffe. Now see, a giraffe. A giraffe, it means whole giraffe community. An elephant. Okay, we here refer this thing refer to the whole community. Class. Okay, a student should be disciplined. It means a student here, it means not a single student. It means every student. A student should be disciplined. Speak of a profession or an occupation. He is a painter. Whenever you have to put down someone's profession or occupation, you have to use a, article a. He is a painter. I want to become a writer. Use a countable noun after the word such. It was such an effortless performance. It was such an effortless performance. Nainital is such a beautiful hill station. Such a beautiful. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with a or an. My mother is a doctor and my father is a writer. Have you ever seen a unicorn? Runa's mother is an MLA. Do you have a dictionary? Leena has such a beautiful handwriting. Rupesh is an expert at fixing cars. We have a lot of books at home. I play football thrice a week. Okay, next one. Sonal gave Mira an abacus for her birthday. An abacus. A vowel sound is here. Name a mystery novel. Single novel is there. So we use A, that you have read. Okay. Now we are going to stop here, and you people take care of you nicely. Okay.